Hey there, PLC programmers. Martin here, coming to you from the Phoenix Contact headquarters in Bad Pyrmont, Germany. I'm so excited for you to be taking your first steps in learning how to configure and program PLC Next technology and become a PLC Next technology certified programmer. This course is a collaboration between Phoenix Contact and RealPARS. We teamed up to make sure that we can develop one of the world's highest quality PLC programming courses. So, why learn how to program a PLC Next control device? According to the experts, PLC Next Control is one of the most innovative PLCs in the industry, as it connects the industrial automation world to the IT world. That means this PLC can be programmed with all of the IEC 61131 programming languages, such as ladder logic, function block diagram, and structured text. And on top of that, it can also be programmed using other popular high-level programming languages, such as Python, Java, and C++. On top of that, you can also use open source code and apps, and you have a strong community for support. How cool is that? So you can think of PLC Next technology as a bridge that connects the industrial automation world to the IT world. In this beginner course, you'll start with the IEC 61131 programming languages, and we'll get into the high-level programming languages in the next courses as well. So who is this course designed for? This course is designed to be well-suited for complete beginners to PLCs and PLC programming. It's also suitable for programmers who are experienced in other PLC platforms and who now want to pick up on a new innovative ecosystem like PLC Next technology. Finally, we also made this course approachable for programmers who already know some basics about PLC Next technology, but now want to level up their skills with the more advanced topics in I/O module configuration and field device connections. So what's the actual course like? First of all, what makes this course stand out is that it centers around a project. What does that mean? We'll take you through the process of successfully coding a ladder logic program, configuring I/O modules, and testing to satisfy specific project requirements. As an option, additional lessons have been added to show you how to configure I/Os, physically wire and test field devices, including a motor, fan, solenoid, and 2 indicator lamps. Our goal is that by the end of this course, you'll be confident enough to put programming a PLC Next control device on your resume. Along with this high quality and easy to follow course, you'll also get access to our online question and answer tool, where you can ask questions about PLC Next technology and what you learned in the course. Once you complete this course, you will receive a signed certificate of completion from Phoenix Contact. This can be a great add-on to your resume when applying for your dream job. You can also post this certificate to your LinkedIn profile to show off to potential employers. So, what are you waiting for? It's time for you to start programming with PLC Next technology. Enroll today, and we'll see you inside the course.